All right, class, settle down, settle down. Today we're studying how the American Revolution changed the lives of the American people, how this led to the Tea Party and the stamp taxes and all that good stuff. How it led to the
Hey, what happened to you?
Nothing, I just fell in the shower this morning.
You sure you don't need ice or something? It looks pretty bad.
No, man. I'm fine. It's just a small bruise.
All right.
How was school?
Fine. We learned about the American Revolution today.
Did you have a meeting after school today?
No. Meetings are on Mondays.
So then where were you?
I just went through the park.
You came home late.
I may have stopped for a few minutes.
You are so inconsiderate.
It was only a few minutes.
You would rather be at a park alone than be with me?
No.
Then why did you go to the park?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't. Stop, please!
Why?
Please! Help! Someone, please!
Open the door, FDPD. Get on the floor!
Hands on your head.
We don't have to.
I want to.
Liz, what's wrong?
Her mom stopped going to church.
So? You think that's my fault?
If you're taking care of her, then no.
Oh, so you don't think I'm taking care of her?
That's not what I said.
Look, we're traveling. It's different. It isn't always gonna be like this.
Does she know that?
Where do you think you're going? There's nowhere for you to go! So you think this is my fault? I know this isn't what we imagined.
We don't have to.
I love you. I love you. You love me? Prove it! Run away with me.
I passed out at a party a few months back. You were there. You took it again, but this time you didn't ask. You just took it. The other guys at the party saw you, and they took it from you too. I woke up the next morning out $100.
I wanted to let you make up your own mind about him.
No, you didn't. If you really thought I could make decisions on my own, you would have let me go out with him instead of helping Daddy hold me hostage.
No, that's not what I was doing.
I'm not stupid enough to make your mistakes.
I guess I thought I was protecting you.
God, you're just like him. Hide me away in the dark so I can't experience anything for myself.
Not all experiences are good, Bianca. You can't always trust the people you want to.
I guess I'll never know, will I?
Holy shit. This is it.
What do you mean this is it?
We can live here.
There are other people who live here now.
So?
So? You want to trust people who are living in the woods?
Why not? Why can't you trust anyone?
It's just childish, man. If you don't start taking things more seriously, I'm gonna head home.
I am being serious.
Whatever, man.
Here.
We have to decide what train we're taking.
Later the better. Just you and me.
The last one leaves at 7:20.
Having lunch with the plastics was like leaving the actual world and entering girl world. And girl world had a lot of rules.
We only wear jeans or track pants on Fridays. And you can't wear a tank top 2 days in a row. And we only put our hair in a ponytail once a week. So I guess you picked today. And if you break any of these rules, you can't sit with us. But not just you. Like, if I were wearing jeans today, I'd be sitting over there with the art freaks. We always vote before we ask someone to sit with us, because you have to be considerate of the rest of the group. Like, you wouldn't buy a skirt without asking your friends if it looked good or not.
I wouldn't?
Right. Like, it's the same with guys. You might think you like someone, but you could be wrong.
Even though I gave it to you once, you stole it from me twice. Even if it seemed like I wanted you to have it, you can't just take it. If I say no, it means no. If I don't say anything, it still means no. Unless I say yes, the answer is no, no matter the scenario.
Do you love me? Answer me! God damn it! Say it!
No.
Code 1099, runaways from West Palm found. 1078, anyone in the area? You copy?
Copy. 1069, what's your
Copy. Extremely dehydrated and the girl is in need of intense medical care. 1053, call for emergency vehicle. Domestic violence.
And I guess I'm still running.